Bonjour. In today's class, we will take up the chapter. In fact, the name of the topic is L'Adjectif Démonstratif. Okay, before this, I would like to tell you that I have already uploaded a video on Adjectif Possessif. So you can go to the playlist and check it. Okay, now let's move with this one. Now have a look. We say L'Adjectif Démonstratif. When you say Démonstratif, what comes in your mind? Is basically something which is being dictated by a word. Yeah, that is the adjective, and in this case, adjective demonstrative. We will have a look at it once we go down. Okay, what is the objective of the lesson? Is basically to understand and use correctly demonstrative adjective, of course, in French. Okay, les adjectifs démonstratifs. Les adjectifs démonstratifs servent à montrer ou désigner une personne, un objet ou une idée. Basically, it can demonstrate a person, an object, or even an idea. In English, the equivalent is this, that, these, those. Is here. Okay, now something important that comes up is in French, demonstrative adjectives agree with the gender and number of the noun they modify. Okay, so adjective, when we say adjective, what is the work of adjective? To qualify a noun. Okay, and here too, demonstrative adjective is also gender and number sensitive. So again, something that I taught you in the other class, accord. So accord is basically agreement. So this will also agree in gender and number. This is something which is typical of French, something that you do not find in English. Okay, we will understand that in deep once we go down. Just have a look here. So first part, masculin singulier. So for that, you will use se when it is masculine, yes, and set when it is masculine but it starts with a vowel. For example, in this case, we say cet arbre is basically un arbre. Un arbre. Okay. So in this case, arbre, in this case, though it is masculine, it starts with a vowel and it will take up set, cet, set, and not say, sir. Okay, now come to feminine one. If there is a feminine one, we will use set. So maison, feminine singular. Okay, and in plural, there is just one, it is say. Ces, say. Okay, now to summarize it a little, we use se for masculine. We use set if it is masculine but starts with a vowel. Next, we are using set for feminine, and we are using say for plural. So this is it. Okay, moving ahead. The same thing, accord. L'adjectif démonstratif s'accorde toujours avec le genre et le nombre. Je know, qui suis. So basically, it qualifies a noun in its number and gender both. Okay, example, ce garçon. This boy, given garçon, the gender of garçon is masculine. We are using ce. This or that boy is kind. Okay. Cet homme est intelligent. Now have a look here. We say un homme. When we say un homme, it's basically homme is masculine in nature. Okay, but in this case, it starts with a semi-vowel. We say homme, no? Yeah. So for that reason, in place of se, we are writing set. Okay, coming to next example, cette femme est professeur. Femme, féminin, so set. Et ses enfants. Enfants, plural. Masculine plural, yes. So say. Ces enfants sont adorables. These or those children are adorable. Okay. Now, see, such swiftly we have covered this exercise. I don't think that there will be much problem given you just know the concept and it's quite basic. And I would also urge you to go back and check the playlist where I have also uploaded other videos. And the important one for you in this regard is the video which is on Adjectif Possessif. So also go and check that. Okay. Now take this example. First one. Das arbre est très vieux. Now you know we call it un arbre. Un arbre means arbre is masculine. Okay. So if I told you that if something is masculine, we will use sir. And if something is masculine but starts with a vowel, we will use set. In this case, it is masculine but it starts with vowel. So we will use set. And this is your answer, set. Okay, second one. Das fille est mon ami. Okay, given fille, girl. So female, masculine. Feminine, singular. It will take set. Okay, so set is your answer. Set fille est mon ami. This girl is my friend. Okay. Next, third one. Das livres sont intéressants. Now have a look. This is plural. We say le livre. We say le livre. So basically book is masculine. Yes, but in this case it doesn't matter because either is masculine plural or feminine plural. We just have one equivalent. So say will be the answer. Fourth one. Okay, again. I told you that we say un homme. We say un homme, but again, H is semi-vowel. So in place of sir, we will use set and not sir. We will not use sir, but we will use set. Okay, so set homme. And the last one. Chaise. We say une chaise. Une or la chaise. So basically is feminine. Okay. Feminine plural. So this will be the answer. Given is plural, is a no-brainer. You will just choose say. Okay, I think it's easy. Nothing much is to be done. Here are your answers. Cet arbre, cette fille, ces livres, cet homme et ces sages. Okay. And this is something that I already gave you. Just remember them. And this is all. Okay. So when it comes to singular, in masculine you will use sir. In plural it will be say. If it is masculine but the noun starts with a vowel or H which is muted, so you will use set. Muted means basically silent one. The example I gave you, that one. Okay. Or even arbre, where it starts with a vowel. Okay. And in plural it will be say, and femina. In singular it will be set. In plural it will be say. That's all. Thank you.